Now we talk about a unit vector. It was a very interesting topic and very useful vector. So when we talk about a vector, means a vector which has a magnitude. This is a magnitude, okay, and this is the called direction. Okay, so when we talk about anything else which anything which has direction as well as magnitude is called the vector. For example, I explain this is like in vector. For example, we say this tip is now east direction. That is example of vector. So it is an example of vector. And when we talk about a unit, so unit means to say one. One is a unit. Unit means a one. So any vector whose magnitude are only one, so it is an example called unit vector. Okay, this is a unit vector. Unit vector means which has magnitude equal to 1. So we say it is an example of a unit vector. For example, if the magnitude of this pen is 1 and this is called unit vector, so why the unit vector apply, why we need of the unit vector? So for example, let's say these are random vector, okay, and there is no direction. This is random. For example, say the length is 4. If I cap is a vector in along x direction and the magnitude of I is 1, so it is a unit vector. So it has only direction, means the vector, if the vector has only magnitude 1, so it has only remaining part is direction which shows. So 1 is the, for example, 4. So 4 into 1 is 1, so 1 is the all time, so nothing is 1, nothing change anything in the magnitude. So the change is in the direction, means the unit vector shows the direction. Okay, so why? So the random vector now has we 4 multiplied with the I cap, so now it has a direction of 4 with the I cap, means now this vector become proper vector because it has a direction. Okay, so for example, say 4, so this is nothing, is a scalar, so we multiply unit vector I, now it becomes 4 I cap, means if 4 is a vector which shows the magnitude is in I cap in the x direction. So when talk about a unit vector, it means it shows the direction. So direction. Okay, so whenever anybody say the unit vector, it means that we showing about the direction. Okay, so I hope you understand what I am saying. In next video we talk about the component of vectors, we talk about some extra information, then we solve some example and we move the dot product to the cross product, and if possible little idea of triple product vectors and scalar triple product vectors, which is in higher part, but as you 11th, but it's knowing thing is very useful. So we will meet in next video and then question, and then we move our best topic, which is the motion in a straight line, motion in 1D 2D 3D. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.